Make your lips soft with bubble gum. Rub Nutella onto your body and moisturize your lips with Nesquik. Oreo is not just for eating, and Fanta is not just for drinking. Find out how to turn your favorite sweets into makeup in our new video. It is boiling hot in the city. A cold drink can save Betty and me from the heat. But what to do with our chapped lips? They've dried out under the hot sun. I've got an idea. Pamper your lips with Fanta-flavored lip scrub. Cover a small jar with a few layers of orange paint. Cut out a Fanta logo and paint its edges, and hot glue it to the cap of the jar. Pour 1 tablespoon of Fanta into 1.5 ounces of sugar. Add a teaspoon of olive oil. Mix it and put it into a container. We take out a signature orange pot and apply the Fanta and sugar mixture to the lips. You can also eat it. The lips become so smooth. Drink Fanta and eat the lip scrub. The orange mood will make your day. It's boring and there's nothing to do. I've got an idea. I know a special place, but it must be a surprise. No peeking. Dinosaurs are my favorite animals. I love these cute little paws. I also want my friend to enjoy it. I cover her eyes and lead her to the cutest dinosaur, Albert. I get her right to the jaws. She is so naive. She hopes that she's going to meet Johnny Depp. Betty screams out loud as soon as she opens her eyes. This is obviously not Johnny. She didn't expect to end up in a Jurassic Park. Dinosaurs are surrounding her. I need to get out of this dino land. Which way is the exit? Giant lizards are everywhere. Teeth, wings, and tails are all the way around me. Well, it seems that I've gone too far this time. Betty is terrified and doesn't even want to talk to me. I need to fix everything right now. One bounty won't be enough here, but a bounty-flavored EOS is a different story. Take a coconut filling out of a bounty bar. We need 1/3 ounce. Add 2/3 ounces of white lip balm. Melt it in a microwave. Take apart an empty EOS container. Screw the middle grid onto the cap. Pour in the coconut mixture and let it harden. Assemble the container. My friend cheers up when she sees the container. It smells better than a pterodactyl and tastes nicer. It means that my apology is accepted. The conflict with my friend became extinct like the dinosaurs did. Let's scrutinize the selfies we took in the park. Blondie has prepared a whole box of Oreo cookies. But why is it so heavy? There's a surprise gift hidden in it next to the cookies. That's a jar of Oreo scrub. Cover the cap of a jar with acrylic paint. Attach an Oreo cookie picture to it. Take apart 6 chocolate cookies and remove the filling. Crush the cookies. Put in 1 ounce of coconut oil to the cookie filling. Add 1 ounce of Vaseline. Melt it in a microwave. Pour the mixture into the crushed cookies. Mix it and put it into the jar. The scrub smells like the chocolate cookies. Betty wants to dip her cookie in it. Don't do it! This is a body scrub and not an Oreo dessert. It makes your skin smooth and sweet. And here are real cookies for a snack. Betty blows bubblegum like a pro. How can she pull it off? Does she have a special method of doing it? Or maybe she put special balm on her lips. From this tube, for instance. I also want to apply it to my lips, but my friend stops me. There is regular bubblegum in this tube. Chew and blow. Meanwhile, a brilliant idea comes to mind. Why not combine our 2 favorite things? Let's make an EOS from bubblegum. Put a little beeswax in 1 ounce of Vaseline. Add pink eyeshadow. Put in some sweet-smelling bubblegum from the tube and melt everything in a microwave.